friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm going to show you how to play the C-flat major cadence. That's right, I'm going to take you through and show you how to play the C-flat major cadence with all the correct notes and fingering. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching this video. If you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Also, you can always feel free to share my videos with your friends and family. So as you may already know, we're going to build this cadence on our first note, our fourth note, and our fifth note of the C-flat major scale. So in this key, our 1 chord is going to be C-flat major, our 4 chord is going to be F-flat major, and our 5-7 chord, our dominant 7 chord, is going to be G-flat 7. So let's take a look at those notes and fingers in the right hand first. So our 1 chord, our C-flat major, is going to be played C-flat, E-flat, G-flat with our 1, 3, and 5. Our F-flat major chord is going to be played C-flat, F-flat, A-flat with our 1, 3, and 5. Our 5-7 chord is going to be G-flat 7, and that's going to be played B-flat, F-flat, G-flat with our 1, 4, and 5. We're going to play our cadence today with the chord progression of 1 chord, 4 chord, back to 1 chord, 5-7, end on 1 chord. Okay, let's play that chord progression like this. C-flat major, F-flat major, C-flat major, G-flat 7, end on C-flat major. Okay, let's check that out in the left hand. The left hand uses the exact same notes, but the fingering is slightly different. So C-flat major in the left hand is going to be played C-flat, E-flat, G-flat with our 5, 3, 1. We will play F-flat major as C-flat, F-flat, A-flat with our 5, 2, 1. And then our G-flat 7 is going to be played B-flat, F-flat, G-flat with our 5, 2, 1. All right, let's put those 3 chords together in our chord progression like this. C-flat major, F-flat major, C-flat major, G-flat 7, end on C-flat major. All right, the only thing we have left to do is put hands together. Okay, here it is, hands together. C-flat major, F-flat major, C-flat major, G-flat 7, end on C-flat major. There you go. That's how you play the cadence in the key of C-flat major. If you found this video at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Send me some hype points, share my video with your friends and family, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.